Hi everyone, today we are going to see what is insurance, definition of insurance, types of losses and nature of insurance. Come, let's go into the video. First, we are going to see what is insurance. Insurance na enna paaka porom, that is protecting from financial losses. Uncertain losses, we occur some uncertain losses. So எதிர்பாராத losses எதாவது ஃபியூச்சரில் வருது அப்படிங்கும் போது அந்த லாஸஸை அந்த ரிஸ்க்கை வந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த ஃபினான்ஷியல் லாஸை ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறது தான் இன்சூரன்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தி மீனிங் ஆஃப் தி இன்சூரன்ஸ். இன்சூரன்ஸோட மீனிங் வந்து இதுதான், ப்ரொடெக்டிங் ஃப்ரம் ஃபினான்ஷியல் லாஸஸ் சச் as uncertain losses, damages like that. Next is a definition. Insurance is defined as a cooperative device to spread the loss caused by a particular risk over a number of persons who are exposed to it and who agree to insure themselves against a risk. As we said already, the insurance is a cooperative device to protect a risk. That is a particular risk வந்துட்டு நம்மளோட லாஸ் நம்பர் ஆஃப் பர்சன்ஸ் நிறையா பேருக்கு வந்து ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ரிஸ்க்கை வந்துட்டு அவங்கனால அந்த ரிஸ்க்கை மேனேஜ் பண்ண முடியும்னு ஒரு என்ஷூர் பண்ணி ஒரு அக்ரி themselves and taking that process is called as a insurance. That is a uncertain loss occurring a number of persons. So on that time the insurer who agrees to insure themselves against a risk, அவங்க செல்ஃப்லே வந்து அக்ரி பண்ணி ஃபியூச்சர் ரிஸ்க்குக்காக they are taking a insurance policy. So this is a definition of a insurance. Next we are going to see risk. Two type of risk is there, ரெண்டு டைப்பாக இருக்குது. that is private life and business. private life அப்படின்னா வந்துட்டு நம்மளோட லைஃப்பில் நடக்க போகிற ரிஸ்க்குக்காக நம்ம எடுக்கிற இன்சூரன்ஸ், that type of insurance. Next is a business means we are taking insurance for a business losses and damages is called as a risk in business. Next we are going to see types of losses. There are two types of losses. One is financial loss and another one is non-financial loss. Okay, financial loss means which is depending upon money is called as a financial loss, like damages or losses related to a money. In a business, if there is any damages or losses occur agudhu அப்படினா that will depend upon a money, or a money related loss இருக்கும். So that is called as a finance losses. Finance related இருக்கிற loss is called financial loss. And next one is a non-financial loss, that is a death, illness or unemployment. யாரா இறந்து போகிறாங்க, டெத் ஆகுறாங்க, or illness ஏதாவது வந்து உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் போகுது, or கை கால் வந்து ஏதாவது ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல இதாகுது, or unemployment வேலை இல்லாமல் போகிறாங்க அப்படிங்கும் போது அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்து non-financial losses. So these two types are as a risk and losses we occurring in the field. So இன்சூரன்ஸில் வந்து two type of losses இருக்குது, that is financial loss and a non-financial loss. money related எல்லாம் financial loss, other than the money is called as a non-financial loss. Next we are going to see a nature of insurance. So in that, first one is a sharing of risk. That means they are sharing a risk with the insurance company. நம்மளோட ரிஸ்க்கை வந்துட்டு or லாஸை வந்துட்டு we are sharing with a insurance company. An individual or family or a business will occur a loss, right? So for example, individual or a family will gain a loss by a life insurance policy. அவங்களோட இன்சூரன்ஸை வந்துட்டு அவங்களோட லாஸை எப்படி இது பண்ணுவாங்க, லைஃப் இன்சூரன்ஸ் பாலிசி மூலிமா. இட் மே பி a marine insurance அப்படின்னா the marine perils will be insured in a marine insurance. ஃபயர்னால ஏதாவது damages or losses வந்தால் they will upload in a fire insurance, they will take a fire insurance, and other than that will be going into the general insurance. So these type of insurance and risks are sharing with the insurance company. And the second point is a cooperative device. Cooperative device means most important feature of every insurance plan is to cooperate to a large number of a person. So ஒரு person வச்சு we cannot run an insurance company. So we want to get a large number of persons. That large number of persons also have to agree பண்ணி அவங்க financial losses arise பண்ணி they want to take a insurance policy. Then only the insurance company will provide or bear the other one's losses. Okay, so that is a cooperative device. And third one is a value of risk. The value of risk will be evaluated when you are going to put a insurance. Then insurance, if you are going to put a insurance means you want to pay a premium. In this, the risk will be calculated in several methods. நிறைய மெத்தட் இருக்கு ரிஸ்கை கால்குலேட் பண்ண. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், இஃப் யோர் லாஸ் இஸ் மச் ஹையர் லாஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா your premium will be higher. If your loss is lower means the premium will be lower. And the fourth point is a payment of contingency. Contingency means happen or may not happen or unhappen, நடக்கலாம் இல்ல நடக்காமலும் போகலாம். So that is a contingency. For life insurance, we can take it as a death or maturity period. இப்போ நம்ம insurance போட்டுக்கோனா it will be go till if we died means that insurance policy will go to our family, நம்ம ஃபேமிலிக்கு போகும். If we are not any death will occur அப்படினா maturity period க்கு அப்புறம் that some lump of amount our maturity period was ended means the insurance amount will be getted back to the member. Okay, that insurance amount will be getted back after the maturity period in life insurance. If it is a marine insurance or fire insurance or other general insurance mean we cannot get any amount. We want to pay the premium. If any losses or damages occur, the company will be paid off for that losses and damages. We cannot get any lump sum amount like life insurance. Fifth point is the amount of payment. Amount of payment means at the end of the insurance we will get some amount, so that is called as a amount of payment. In life insurance, at a fixed of amount, if we are putting a life insurance for 5 lakh or 10 lakh, after a maturity period or a death we will get that amount lump sum, that 5 lakh or 10 lakh amount. If it is a other insurance like a claiming insurance, marine or fire insurance or other motor insurance like that, we cannot claim lump sum amount. It will depending upon the losses of our damages. If your losses is for 1 lakh, then you will get only a 1 lakh amount from the company. So the amount of payment will be depend upon the insurance and also the losses and damages. Sixth point is a larger number of insured person. The insurance should be in a larger number of persons. In an insurance company, we need more members to be insured. Then only the company can run and they can provide insurance for the other losses and damages. So the loss they want to take over or pay the losses immediately, and they have to run smoothly and cheaply means there want to be a large number of persons have to be insured. There will be a less amount of insurance also, less number of persons also be can insure in the smaller area like a urban areas like that. In rural area there will be a large number of persons should be insured, then only the company everything will be run smoothly. Then the insurance will be low for the low amount of insured. If that the premium will be depending upon the insurance amount. And the seventh point is insure is not a gambling. Insurance is not a gambling. You have to be, it's a proper safer side helping for our losses or damages. Okay, so for example, if we are for uncertainty losses, we can they are paying a insurance. We cannot do that as a certain losses. For example, எந்த லாஸும் நடக்கல அப்படிங்கும்போது we cannot do it as a நம்மளே damage பண்ணிட்டு or firing பண்ணிட்டு we cannot claim that insurance. So that is called as a gambling. So they are bearing a uncertain losses, not a certain losses. Okay. And eighth point is a insurance is not charity. So charity means it's a free of services like that. So insurance is not a charity. We are paying a premium so that we are getting a lump sum amount for our life and also a damage and losses. So we are not they are not giving, insurance company is not giving for free of cost. So monthly we are going to pay a premium. So for that premium only they are giving a lump some amount for a life insurance. And in business or in other insurance, if we got a damages means they are providing that losses bearing a losses and providing a insurance for by getting a premium only. If we are paying a premium regularly and properly means only they will give a insurance for our losses and damages. If after getting your death they are providing a lump sum amount to the family to maintain the family members to be safe and secured. So insurance is not a charity, it is a one form of a business. Hope you all learned something about the insurance. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Learning Window.